Hello Jammers! Today's video is a quick one. I want to show you an easy to use Photoshop script that I created to help you upscale many AI images at once. Now if you're like me and you use Midjourney or Dalle 3 or any other image generator a lot, you often find yourself with a folder like this, where you have a lot of fresh generated images, t-shirt designs, poster designs, or any kind of design that aren't the highest quality or highest resolution. So what you would do is you'd go to a website and manually upscale them one by one. Sometimes there's a limit to how many pictures you can do. Sometimes the website doesn't work, and it's just a long and painful process. So what I did was I created a Photoshop script that can upscale as many images as you wanted all at once. And I'm going to show you how to use it right now. The first thing you need to do is download the file I have linked in the description below. Once you download it, go to Photoshop and open up a new document. In the new document, you want to head to Window, Actions. In this Actions window, hit this icon here and click Load Actions. Now you want to select the Upscaler Actions file you just downloaded. And now you have the new action in here. Now all that's left to do is head to File, Scripts, Image Processor. In this window, you want to first select the folder where all your images are. In this case, I have all my images in this Gens folder. Hit OK. And then you want to select a location where the upscaled images are going to be saved. So I'm going to create a new folder next to the Gens folder and call it Upscaled Gens. And I'm going to select this folder. Once both folders are selected, you want to make sure your upscale action is selected here. And we have two options for our upscaler. These options depend on the aspect ratio of the images you're trying to upscale, so you need to do them separately. But since all of my images are square, I'm going to hit the Upscale Square option. And that's it. Once all that's done, we want to hit Run. And it's going to go through all of our images one by one and upscale them. It finished upscaling all of my images. Now I can go into Upscale Gens and I can take a look at all of my upscaled pictures. And we can see that they are at 4096 by 4096. And there we have it. These are all of our upscaled images. We didn't have to do them one by one. We just let the Photoshop script do all of this for us. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Let me know below what other tools you'd like to see to help with your AI design process. It's been Jam Design, and I'll see you in the next one.